everyone, and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, the All Odia Cuisine. And today I'm going to share one more authentic Odia delicacy made from the pumpkin flour, the Kokharu Phula Body Santura, or the pumpkin flour cooked with sun-dried lentil nuggets. So let's get started. So first I'm going to get some fresh pumpkin flowers from my kitchen garden and along with some pumpkin stems and leaves, as I'm also going to add some stems and leaves to this recipe. Here I have two kinds of squash plant, the traditional Indian pumpkin plant and the western grown squash. Even though there is no difference in the taste, they vary in the appearance. As you can see that the leaves of the western grown squash are more round in shape. The flower petals are more round, it's a bit more rough to fill, and the sepals are huge than the traditional one. Well, the taste is similar, so that's what is more important. Now let's quickly go to the kitchen and make the recipe. So first I'm going to dress the flowers, and for that remove the sepals and the pistils, and don't remove the stem. Repeat the same for all the flowers. Once done, keep them aside. Now cut the flowers into small pieces. After all the flowers are cut into pieces, put them into a colander. Next, I will quickly cut the pumpkin stems and the leaves into small pieces. Make sure that you get the stems which are young. Once cut into pieces, put them in the colander with the pumpkin flowers. Now wash the both properly and keep aside. Next, soak 1/4 cup of small split yellow lentils in warm water for 30 minutes. So for this recipe you need the yellow moong dal, so make sure you have them. And while the lentils is resting, I will quickly cut some vegetables to add in the recipe. Half a cup of Acron squash, or you can also add the pumpkin. Cut them into small pieces. Next, cut half a cup of eggplant into small cubes, and then 1 medium-sized potato cut into small dice. Just keep it simple. If you want, you can add half a raw banana instead of potato or along with it. Wash all the vegetables thoroughly and keep aside. Now in a wok, take the soaked small yellow lentil, then the vegetables. To this, I'm going to add salt to taste and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. The pumpkin flowers, leaves and the stems straight into the wok. Add a little bit of water for cooking. Don't add a lot of water as the cooking time is less for this recipe. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. When the lentil and vegetables are cooked properly, take it out in a bowl and keep aside. Finally, to temper the curry, in the same wok, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and to this add 7 to 8 sun-dried lentil nuggets, or the buddy. Fry for a minute or two, and before they burn, take them out on a plate. Now in the same oil, add 5 spice mix or the panch phoran, and once they start crackling, add 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic, green chili and onion. Fry them for a minute or two till the raw smell of the garlic is gone. As you can see that I'm not adding the dry red chili, as I have already added green chili. If you want, you can also add the dry red chili. Once the spices are cooked, add the lentil and pumpkin flour straight into the wok. Just cook for 1 to 2 more minutes and wait till it starts boiling. As you can see that I'm not adding a lot of flavors to this curry because this is a very simple taste, and the simplicity is the real taste of this recipe. Once done, turn up the stove, take it out and serve hot with steamed rice. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. For health related articles and other details, do give it a look at the description box below. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.